Croeso nôl. Now, today's guest is the lovely Sharon Morgan, and I'm very excited about this. So we need a bit of a wers so I can digest some Welsh.
Paratoi.
So I can paratoi.
Paratoi.
What have you got for me?
Well, let me tell you dipyn bach am Sharon I ddechrau, iawn. So mae Sharon Morgan yn dod o Ddyffryn Aman yn wreiddiol. Mae dau o blant ganddi, Stephen a Saran. Mae hi'n siarad Ffrangeg yn rhugl. Ac wrth gwrs mae hi'n actores. Mae hi wedi bod yn actio ers blynyddoedd ac mae hi wedi actio mewn ffilmiau, dramau llwyfan, teledu, ond mae hi hefyd yn ysgrifennu. A hi ysgrifennodd y fersiwn Gymraeg o Vagina Monologues.
Ah, really?
Ie, felly mae hi'n ysgrifennu llawer. Mae hi wedi ennill BAFTA am y ffilm hyfryd Martha, Jack a Shanko. Have you ever seen that film?
I've seen it a lot. I was at the BAFTAs when they won as well.
Yeah. Oh, mae'n hyfryd. Ar hyn o bryd, dwi'n meddwl, neu mae hi newydd orffen gweithio ar Hollyoaks later, ac mae Sharon wedi ymgyrchu campaign llawer iawn dros y Gymraeg, for the Welsh language, dros y blynyddoedd. And I believe she was arrested.
Oh, diddorol.
Am beintio'r swyddfa Gymraeg for painting the Welsh office. Dwi'n meddwl. Nawn ni checio.
We'll ask her about that, yes.
Reit te, wyt ti'n barod?
Fi'n barod.
Sgrin gynta. Rwyt ti wedi.
Rwyt ti wedi.
Rwyt ti wedi. What does it mean?
You have.
Oh, go, Matt.
Yeah.
You have, felly. You have acted in a film, would be?
Rwyt ti wedi actio mewn ffilm.
Yeah, perffaith.
Bod.
Wedyn, beth ydi fasa ti'n hoffi? I thought we'd go for a bit of conditional heddiw.
Fasa ti'n hoffi? Would you like?
Da iawn.
Fasa ti'n hoffi actio mewn period drama? Drama
gyfnod.
Drama gyfnod.
Yeah, da iawn. Da iawn. Would you like to direct? I don't know if she's directed. Beth ydi direct?
Fasa ti'n hoffi...
Cyfarwyddo.
Cyfarwyddo. Cyfarwyddo. Okay.
Would you like to be in a soap opera?
Fasa ti'n hoffi bod... We've done this before, because we did soap operas, didn't we?
Yeah.
In the first series. Fasa ti'n hoffi bod...
Like imagine a Frenchman holding a bar of soap and going, c'est bon.
No, see, no.
Bon.
Why have I got to imagine a Frenchman holding a bar of soap?
Because he says, c'est bon.
C'est bon. Your train of thought is incredible.
Right. Nesa.
Nesa. Beth ydi...
Have you seen that word? No?
Apple.
Apple?
Is it an apple? Is it Welsh for an apple?
No.
Oh, come on. Jiw.
Oh, beth sy'n digwydd heddiw? Apel. Ti'n gweld hwnna? Ti'n gweld to bach?
Ball.
Bob tro ti'n gweld y to bach. Every time you see the little hat, the circumflex, iawn.
I got it the roof.
It makes it the roof. Na fo, to bach.
To bach.
To bach, the little roof yn Gymraeg. You make the vowel yn hir.
Apel.
Yeah, apel.
Beth
like
ydi apel?
More.
Is it appeal?
Appeal, da iawn.
Is that what it means?
Yeah. What's the appeal of da-da-da-da? So, why does acting appeal to you?
Okay. Beth ydi apel?
Yeah. So, what's the appeal of acting?
Beth ydi apel actio?
Yeah.
No,
actio ar lwyfan on a stage.
Ar lwyfan on a stage, you can add to it then.
Yeah.
I thought so. Fi'n iawn.
It's a good general one i ofyn.
That's handy, appeal, yeah. Because we asked that a lot.
Yeah.
Why do you... It's a nicer way of saying, why did you want to do it?
Yeah, and
what was the appeal?
Oh, what was the appeal? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fi'n hapus.
Can
we see a little bit of a footage now?
Yeah, nawn ni weld Sharon
She says some
Morgan.
good stuff.
Ydy mae, dyma hi.